Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth guide on the MSI MS17B revision Palka. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the necessary steps for maintenance and repair. First, let's gather the tools you'll need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and compressed air for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the back panel. There are typically 10 screws, so make sure to keep them organized. Once you've removed the screws, gently pry the back panel off using your spudger. Be careful not to damage any clips. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out dust from the fans and heat sinks. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. If you notice any significant dust buildup on the motherboard or surrounding areas, gently wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. Now, we need to check the RAM and storage drives. Locate the RAM slots and remove the modules by pushing the clips outward. Clean the contacts with a dry cloth before reseating them. If you're unsure about handling these components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is functioning properly. Moving on to the storage drive, if you have an SSD or HDD, carefully disconnect the drive from the motherboard. Inspect the connectors for any dirt or damage before reattaching. If you're considering upgrading, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Once the internal components are cleaned and secured, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Align the back panel and press it down gently to snap it back into place. Replace the screws in the order you removed them to avoid any confusion. If at any point you feel uncomfortable with these steps, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, allowing you to skip the hassle of calls or travel. Just contact us, and we'll handle the rest. After reassembly, power on your laptop and monitor its performance. Ensure all components are working correctly, as this final check is vital. If you encounter any issues or if the laptop does not power on, our team is ready to assist. We can diagnose any problems professionally, ensuring you get the help you need without the commitment of a repair. In summary, maintaining your MSI MS17B revision Palka involves regular cleaning, proper handling of internal components, and knowing when to seek professional help. With the right approach, you can extend the life of your laptop and keep it running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.